The Ukrainian National Guard has received its first batch of Novator 2 command and staff vehicles, marking a new era in battlefield command and control. Developed by Ukrainian Armor in collaboration with the National Guard, the Novator 2 is built to provide enhanced protection for commanders while improving operational flexibility in combat zones. This vehicle maintains the core features of its predecessor, offering mobility, ballistic, and mine protection. The Novator 2 is mounted on a reinforced Ford F-550 chassis, powered by a 6.7-liter V8 turbo diesel engine with 300 horsepower. With a top speed of 140 km per hour and a range of 500 km, it ensures that commanders can move swiftly while staying protected. The Novator 2 boasts a V-shaped hull, providing protection against 7.62 mm ammunition and the detonation of 2 RGD-5 grenades. Bulletproof windows, 5 cm thick, enhance crew safety, while the roof is capable of supporting a rotating combat module armed with a 12.7 mm machine gun or an automatic grenade launcher. Inside, the vehicle features 4 operator workstations, complete with monitors and secure communications. It also has the capability to integrate electronic warfare equipment, offering commanders an edge in maintaining control over the battlefield. One of the most notable features of the Novator 2 is its integration of advanced electronic warfare systems. The AD Kraken Counter FPV F3 system, developed by Kvertus, can jam FPV drones across 3 radio bands. With variants offering up to 50 watts of power per channel, the system can operate for up to 12 hours, providing effective countermeasures against enemy drones. The Novator 2 has already been tested in combat, proving its resilience. Even after sustaining damage from FPV drones, it remained operational, showcasing its durability and ability to continue supporting troops. The vehicle's versatility extends beyond command roles. A medical evacuation variant has been developed, capable of transporting 6-seated or 4 lying-down casualties. This version maintains the same protection and electronic warfare capabilities, but with specialized medical compartments and 4 hooks. After 2 months of combat testing, the Medevac version is now entering mass production. Unveiled at the MSBO exhibition in Poland in September 2023, the Novator 2 has undergone several structural enhancements based on field feedback. These upgrades include an improved suspension system, reinforced axles, and air springs, boosting off-road performance and ensuring that the vehicle can navigate rough terrains with ease. The Ukrainian National Guard plans to integrate the Novator 2 into its combat brigades, and Ukrainian Armor continues to refine the vehicle based on operational feedback. This ongoing development highlights the vehicle's critical role in supporting both immediate and long-term military needs. As military technology evolves, the Novator 2 is set to become an essential asset for the Ukrainian forces, providing vital command capabilities and protection in high-intensity operational environments.